Good evening, guys. We're here at Star Wars Battles with a giveaway by Jamie. It's the mini number 1 for the Gentle Giant Early Bird set. 10 entries in this one. And top 4 getting spots into the main. So we're going to go live here at 11:47. There it is. There's your list 1 through 10. Wolfgang down to Wolfgang. 5 or better for the top 4. 4. Try it again. There it is. 10. Good luck, guys. Round 1. CJ, Wolfgang, Adam, and Dieter. 2. Sean, Dieter, Rob, and Wolfgang. 3. Wolfgang top 2, CJ and Rob. 4. Adam, CJ, and Wolfgang. 5. Rob, CJ, Wolfgang, and Sean. 6. Sean, CJ, Wolfgang, and Rob. 7. Rob, Sean, Wolfgang, and CJ. 8. Wolfgang, Dieter, Adam, and Wolfgang. 9. CJ, Wolfgang, CJ, and Rob. And there we are, guys. Final round. Big old Star Wars Battles. Good luck to the top 4. It's 11:48. Your top 4 are Wolfgang, top 2, CJ and Dieter. Congratulations. VNH DST is your verification code. Round 10, 10, 1, 7, and 9 are your winners, guys. Grab your spots in the main because we are done here at 11:48. Until next time. Battle on.